Hello guys, welcome back to again iTechHub YouTube channel and my name is Dhruvin. So guys, in this video I will show you how to fix set automatically date and time grey out in iPhone and iPad. Lot of iPhone and iPad user has been reporting to in date and time sections set automatically option is grey out on iPhone and iPad. Now the iPhone and iPad users question is what to do for the fixing this issue. So guys, before the starting this video, please make sure to subscribe my channel, like, comment and share, and also press the bell icon for the more informative video about iPhone and Android device. In this tutorial I give you 100% working solutions for the issue. Now the first one is open the settings app. In settings app, scroll down and tap on the privacy. In privacy, now first one option is location services. If the location services is turned on, now please make sure turn off the location services on your iPhone and iPad. Now the second step is most important. Now first of all go back to again settings. In settings, now find out the screen time option. In iPhone settings, screen time is turned on. Now scroll down and find out the screen time off section. Now please make sure tap on it, wait for the sometimes, then again come back in the settings. Again settings, after you can see also tap on the general. In general, now find out the date and time options on your iPhone and iPad settings. Now you can see also set automatically time and date grey out option is fixed on your iPhone and iPad settings. So guys, this way too you can easily set the automatically time and date grey out options fixed on your iPhone and iPad. I hope this video helpful for you. Thank you so much. Please subscribe my channel, like, comment and share. If you have any query about it, so please DM on my Instagram and also comment on this video comment sections. I will try to fix your problem as soon as. Thank you so much.